When customers think of performance characteristics they want from their premium SUV, they expect control, confidence in all conditions, and a tire designed to achieve peak performance. That's exactly what Hankook delivers with the Dynapro evo All-Season, a performance all-season tire engineered specifically for today's high-end SUV. Take, for example, the Mercedes-Benz GLS Coupe behind me. We've equipped it with Hankook's Dynapro evo All-Season in size 275 50Z R20. And this pairing really shows what this tire is built for: performance, stability, and a comfort for a premium SUV. But what's inside this tire that makes it such a good match for premium SUVs? It starts with advanced construction. 2 reinforced belts layered with an additional pair on top for enhanced durability at high speeds. Hankook says this design lowers tread deformation and wear. To support that responsiveness, Hankook integrated these Wave 3D sipes and interlocking band 3D sipes, which increase density and precision to minimize block deformation. The integration of both the Wave 3D sipes and interlocking band 3D sipes means it delivers unparalleled road-engineered premium performance, setting a new benchmark in the market. Let's talk more about handling for a second. The Dynapro evo All-Season incorporates these shallow dashed grooves that segment the blocks vertically while maintaining horizontal continuity. This design helps balance rigidity across outer shoulder blocks, meaning the tires maintain stiffness while cornering. This helps the tires maintain their shape during cornering, providing consistent contact with the road and predictable handling. The wider contact patch and strengthened shoulder area also translate to sharper, more stable turns. Traction and performance aren't limited to just dry pavement either. In fact, internal Hankook testing showed a 6% improvement in wet braking and 3% boost in dry braking compared to the category leader in the market. Speaking of wet and dry performance, these tires feature Hankook's new compound with a high silica all-season compound which maximizes braking performance on both dry and wet surfaces. Meanwhile, the cold weather compounds help maintain snow driving performance. Hankook says that precisely engineered chamfers, along with tie bars and kerfs within the lateral grooves, enhance water evacuation without compromising longitudinal rigidity. The contact patch design also plays a role in wear performance. See the square center and round shoulder design? Hankook also removed acute corners from the lateral grooves. That lessens the chance of uneven contact pressure, which helps the tire wear evenly, extending lifespan and maintaining performance. Given the inherently heavier body and unique driving characteristics of SUVs, luxury SUV drivers demand more than sheer performance, a need that Hankook fully recognizes. That's why they engineered the Dynapro evo All-Season for quiet, comfortable driving as well. The inner shoulder of the tire features widened lateral grooves, while the outer shoulders are designed to be narrow. Hankook says this combination traps resonance noise within the main grooves, which significantly reduces high-frequency noises within the cabin. The Hankook Dynapro evo All-Season is a premium all-season performance tire that lives up to the performance demands of today's top-tier SUVs. Every Dynapro evo All-Season tire is backed by a 50,000-mile limited treadwear warranty and comes in 29 sizes ranging from 19 to 22 inches. Want a tire engineered to help you get the most out of your SUV in every season on every road? Look no further than the Dynapro evo All-Season. I'm Allison, thanks for watching.